Hi, my name is Russ, and you're watching the Paddle and Hook channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about my Tracker 1542 Jon Boat, aptly named the Small Wonder, and the modifications I've made to it to turn it into a bass boat. I know that some of you guys are doing conversions of your own, and I thought this video might be helpful. I've been getting a lot of questions about the boat. Even though it's not quite done yet, I'm still working on the front deck. For starters, the SeaDeck marine adhesive flooring has held up really well. I used it on my bench seats and on my rear deck hatches. It makes it way more comfortable to sit or stand there on sunny days. I don't have to worry about singeing myself on the hot aluminum when I sit down. I made custom hatch lids to cover my storage bins and to create a rear compartment for my fuel tank and electrical system. I also put my bilge pump and battery in there. I had a small leak near the bow of the boat, so I filled it using the GlueVet product and then applied Flex Seal up there to neaten up the appearance a bit. I could make detailed videos about the decking and framing as well as the electrical system if you guys are interested. Just mention it in the comments below, and if enough of you are interested, I can make that happen. Today I'm adding an awesome set of transom tie-down straps made by the Strappino company. These add like peace of mind when I'm trailering down the highway. It keeps your boat from, vibrating around on the trailer. It keeps everything in place, safe and secure. These Strappino ratcheting straps are heavy duty with tough polyester webbing, a retractable ratcheting system, and steel security clips to keep your boat in place. I'm opting for the permanent bolt-on installation on my trailer, but if you already have trailer strap points in place, that would also work well. To put this bolt-on bracket system in place, all you need is a drill bit that can cut through aluminum in a few minutes. Let's get this on the boat so you can see how well it works out. So I messed around with different options for mounting points and have decided that mounting the bracket right here is going to provide the perfect angle for strapping this thing in place, if you can't tell. Right, let's get it drilled in and I'll show you how the finished product looks. I'm excited. All right. The hardware included with this bracket is just heavy, it's solid, it's phenomenal. Just a few quick turns of the ratchet and we'll have this thing in place once the bolt is tight. With the bracket bolted on, the only step left is to bolt this to the bracket with the supplied hardware, which is awesome. These are stainless and the nuts have a nice lock washer in there. I'm excited to know these are not going to come off in transit. Anyway, let's get this bolted up and I can show you what it's going to look like here. All right, clipping my boat on with Strappino is as easy as this. I'm going to tighten it down and we're safe and secure. Yeah, it's solid. All right, folks. These Strappino products are awesome. I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video where you can check them out yourself. I would suggest you get a pair. They're gonna make traveling with your boat way more secure and give you peace of mind. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.